the whole leg. Nigga, how you play the chopper rock his whole head.
That's my rock.
What up, YouTube? You feel me? We back, man, with another video. Know we been, you feel me, MIA kinda. We ain't posted content in a long time. You feel me? That nigga been through a lot. Had to stole the phone. I had so much content I ain't post. You feel me? Man, all that type of shit. Man, my car was down, then it was back up, then it was down, it was back up. So now I'm doing a trans right now. I'm doing my trans right now. And I'm doing the floors. I got the floors. I just took the police floors out because it wasn't carpet. I'm taking them out. I took the back seats out and put the ones with the cup holders. I'm about to change that out. Change this to this one. There's an RT one. I only did it. That was just only temporary because you feel me. I didn't have this. This was up there basically. I shipped some up there, but so I'm gonna put this in there. I'm swapping the whole floor out. Everything gonna be carpet instead of the hard floor. I'm gonna clean the seats real good. Clean it up real good, cause the dirt jams. Clean all this real good. Switch all these doors. I really did a lot. I got pedal commander, all type of shit. Got pedal commander. Did a couple mods, straight pipes, tips. I did a lot, bro, that I ain't even post. And then my phone got stolen, so it was like, man, I just been through so much, man. That's another project. It's a couple more, but you feel me? The sandbox Rio in the cut. You feel me? Yeah, swapping the dash, swapping that out. You feel me? Shit, for the panel damage. You feel me? Hurry, nothing, but you know, he getting this shit together piece by piece, man. You feel me? It's feel like you go 10 steps ahead, and you take 50 back, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, just been a lot lately. But definitely tap in and subscribe to the channel. We definitely gonna be dropping more fire content. That was just the beginning of what we was, you know what I'm saying? I had way more, excuse me, but I had way more content in my phone that got stole, bro, that I was supposed to post, and I was waiting and procrastinating, and I should have just posted this shit. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I could have fixed it later or whatever, but I just, you feel me? Just, bro, it's just been a lot. It's just been a lot lately, like, trans. This out of here already. That's gone already. Doors and shit gone already. Taking the carpet out and shit already. Seats and shit out. We got a little bit more to do, but you feel me? Not really too much, but I mean, it's a process. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna be a process, man, and that's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Cause body, you feel me? Wintertime, this shit'll be, you know what I'm saying? Summertime, this shit'll be all put back together. 2 more cars around, 3 more cars around. Hellcat swaps, scat swaps. Like, this shit really, you feel me? Shit really on the flow. Like, you know, I'm getting this bitch together. I really want to do a cluster swap. I want to swap the whole dash out, swap the steering wheel out. Swap the whole seats out. These seats don't be temporary. I want to come scat seats or you know what I'm saying? Some comfortable racing seats or something. I'm taking this floor out. All this shit going out. I'm ripping all this shit out. All this shit down. All that shit gotta go. All that shit just, bro. It just been a so long process, bro. Like, all this shit just been. It just been like so irritating because it be like problem after problem, problem after problem, problem after problem, problem after like damn, bro, like when we actually gonna, you know what I'm saying? Sit there, it can go to 3-4 car meets and nothing happening, bro. Like that's what I'm saying. Like man, when the fuck we gonna be able to? I ain't got no pumps. Well, I got it, but they fucked up. But it's like, when the fuck we gonna get a chance to really, feel me, show off our shit, bro? We got so much shit to do, and it be like, man, we might as well do that shit and wait. We might as well. That shit dirty as hell, man. Why the fuck that shit so dirty, bro? I definitely need a tune-up. Definitely. Core packs look like I won it last time, but I'm definitely just getting it together slowly, man. This shit coming together piece by piece, man. This shit coming together piece by piece. I got new headlights, took the yellow off. Hood came up, cracked the windshield, got a new hood. Windshield still cracked. Took the yellow off this bitch. Yeah, a lot of this shit, bro. There's so much. I need tires. That ain't even the right size tires in the front. Motherfucker, I'm trying to take this off, but this shit yellow behind there. I'm gonna have to do something. That shit gotta get, you know what I'm saying? It's a process about this shit. That's probably why we really, you feel me, haven't been posted. But it's like, man, don't worry about it. We want to do HEMI things, man. You hear me? We want to do HEMI things, man. So definitely tune in the channel, subscribe. Feel me? Get to working on these cars, man. Definitely get back to y'all, man. We gonna be back in action in no time. You feel me? No time. We back in action in no time. Watch what I tell y'all. Watch. This shit gonna be on. Yeah, this on the flow. 345 gang. Yeah, subscribe, like, feel me, comment, share. Let me turn me up. I swear we gonna be dropping all fire content, man. We gonna have more cars, bro, more videos, bro, more meets, more content, bro. I got niggas hit me up right now, bro. You ain't bringing your out, you ain't making no content. It's, feel me? I just got so much. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like, share to the 345 gang YouTube, man. I swear to God, this shit gonna be a banger.